In this video, we are going to create a very basic alert dialog widget. So in Android Studio, I have already created a stateful widget, and in that stateful widget, I have created a raised button which has a property called as onPressed, which is set to null for temporary purpose. Now the next thing that we need to do is we need to create a method. So we will say void dialog method name. So after that, what we are going to do in this method is we are going to provide an alert dialog box. So for that, we need to create a new property called as show dialog. And in this show dialog, it takes a two property, which is context and child. So in context, we need to type context, and in child, we need to create a new alert dialog. So we'll say new alert dialog. And in this alert dialog, we need to provide three properties, which is title. The second property is content, which is the body of alert box, and the third is action. Now in title, we need to provide a widget. So we'll say new text widget, and let's provide a string as warning. And now in content, we need to provide a text widget, and the content that we are going to provide, let's say that will be you will die if you press on close button. And in action, which takes a list as a widget, and in this we can provide multiple child, but for right now we are going to provide just one child. That will be an icon child, icon button, and in this we will provide a new icon, icons dot, let's provide a close icon, and this actions will be at the bottom right corner of an alert box. And the operation that we are going to perform on close is that we want the alert dialog to close. So for that, we need to create a function in onPressed, and in this we need to type navigator.popContext. So this navigator.popContext will close the alert dialog box, and once it is created, we need to provide a semicolon. And once this is done, we have successfully created an alert dialog box. So now in raised button, we need to call our method. So we'll say we need to create a function in which we need to provide a dialog method. Now let's restart our app. Now as you can see, our raised button is been enabled, and if I press on the raised button, I get an alert box which has a title warning, a content that has a message as you will die if you press on close button. And if I press on the close button, now the alert dialog box will close, and that's it. That's how you create a simple basic alert box in Flutter.